Unless you've been living under a rock, you must hear what's happening with the weather. The largest evacuation in U.S. history is underway as more than 5.6 million people were ordered to leave Florida before Hurricane Irma strikes the Sunshine State. The state's governor, Rick Scott, urged people who had not yet left to leave ASAP. He explained that the biggest concern with the powerful hurricane is the predicted storm surge that will come along with the lashing winds and the heavy rains. The storm was downgraded to a Category 4 yesterday before being upgraded again to a Category 5, and now it's been relegated to a Category 4 this morning by the National Hurricane Center. Irma is currently raging on the northeastern coast of Cuba with wind speeds of 160 miles per hour. We never even drive 160 miles per hour.
That's no joke.
That possible?
That's not, yeah, to drive that fast?
On a race car?
Yeah, but that's just scary, you know. And you know, people are still staying.
Yeah, there are people in the Keys who say, you know, they've lived through it, so they're not going to go and blah, blah, blah.
I think the people that come from Port Royal, because Port Royal people alone don't leave in hurricane come.
So, fun fact, you know that Ernest Hemingway had a house on Key West in Florida, and they said that that's the strongest spot on the island because it was made out of like some limestone. But everybody can hold in there.
My fact is I don't business how strong it is because the Titanic has sunk.
Yeah.
From Titanic can sink.
Anything can mash up.
I'm not staying.
Well,
5.6 though. 5.6 million people.
Yeah.
Where am I going to go?
They're going to go up into Georgia. Hey, America's a big
but the
place.
thing is going up to Georgia too, you know?
Yeah, but by the time it gets to Georgia, it's not going to be as strong as it was to be able to mash up all of Florida.
But me I go as far as possible.
All of you, the airports are going to be closed as of this morning, according to CNN, because they can't afford to fly in that weather, and there's nowhere to go unless you can. The highways are full. There was a gas shortage in Florida.
Yeah, man, gas shortage.
No, they have
all
gas
the water.
now.
Then buy out all the water from the stores.
So what are you gonna do if you haven't left yet? You just have to be prepared and hunker down. You can't leave again.
I mean,
them can't leave again. Them stuck now.
Right,
all is for days. This is the first time I've heard the governor get on a week in advance of a hurricane and be like, get out.
Yeah, but if you don't get out from when them tell, because you don't want to leave.
Exactly. So stay and deal with it.
So all my friends in Florida who haven't left, just button down, just hold strong. It's gonna be a tough ride.
Have you seen the size of that thing?
Oh yes.
Like Florida fit in it like 3 times, you know.
It's bigger than Texas.
Oh my gosh, and there have been 23 fatalities already.
Yeah. Well, the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority is reporting that air services in and out of Jamaica have been affected following a lightning strike which damaged critical equipment at this Winchester Road-based Kingston Air Traffic Control Center Friday afternoon.
Yes.
The authority says flights traversing Jamaican airspace have been also impacted. In the meantime, it has sought to explain that efforts are underway to restore functionality in the shortest time possible. In the meantime, MBJ Airports Limited says flights have continued to depart from the Sangster International Airport in St. James.
Yeah.
You saw the lightning?
What do you mean if I saw the lightning?
Nothing been able to see it. Like I was on the road.
You don't know a lot about me and lightning, but yeah. Here's the thing. A sister of mine is an air traffic controller, right? And when she said lightning, no care. If lightning can lick that. Lightning can lick clear of all of them. So this is not a very fun thought for me.
I'm afraid of lightning, you know. But go back to the whole natural disasters and earthquakes going on, monsoons.
It's not.
You know,
and then there are some people, rhymes with bump, that says climate change doesn't exist.
Yeah, enough people say that, but it's scary. And even for us, even the lightning yesterday, even my dogs got scared, man.
Yeah, the animals usually pick up things like that faster than human beings.
And I realized my dogs went into the little house early. So I'm like,
the dog have house?
Yeah, they have two dogs. Oreo and Zuri, they have 2 houses.
Do you have a dog named Zuri?
Yeah.
My daughter would be very upset. Her best friend's name is Zuri. Her cousin's name is Zuri, sorry. Okay, well, to all of the people who are working down at the airport, we wish you well and we hope that everything gets back up and running very
And thank you for your service too, because it's a dangerous job.
Yeah. Eastern and central parishes of Jamaica are now experiencing moderate to heavy showers as Hurricane Irma passes north of the island. It's actually north of Cuba, which is way north of us. The Met Service says a trough associated with the system is now across Jamaica and is expected to remain in the vicinity of the island for the rest of the weekend. So you know what that means, right? We should continue to expect periods of showers and thunderstorms, as well as cloudy conditions through to Sunday. I feel like a weather girl. But yeah, that's what's going to happen. We're going to have some rain. Yesterday I was stuck on the road with a big hour worth of rain that kind of flooded the entire roadway system.
You know what you need to do? For those who don't have work in this rainy condition, just stay home, man.
Okay. I'm not telling you what to do when you stay home.
Stay home.
I'm just saying stay off the roads if you don't have to go.
Drink some hot chocolate.
So terrible.
Yeah, but it's crazy.
But
we couldn't manage a hurricane.
Yesterday, did you see the rain?
Yeah.
The overpass by Red Hills Road, under it, was flooded.
Yeah,
trucks, buses, things were turning back. And that was an hour of moderate rainfall. Yeah. What would happen to us if that hurricane had it? Thank you, God. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you for the luck, whoever you believe in. So thank you for that, because we've been spared a massive, massive hit.
No. I don't think we really could have managed that. Because even Barbados, they got like 10 minutes of rainfall. And the whole country flooded out.
Jeez,
the whole country flooded out. Yeah, manage that.
All right, guys. Oh, look at that. Harvey and Irma married 75 years. Marvel at the storms bearing their names.
Harvey and Irma married for 75 years.
Yeah.
He turned 104 in July. She will be 93 in November. So since 1979, the World Meteorological Organization has alternated men's and women's names for tropical storms born over the Atlantic. 6 master lists of names are kept and used in rotation. So the minor hurricane names of 2017 will appear again in 2023. Only hurricanes that are costly or deadly enough to be memorable have their names retired. You know, I just think, why I don't have a name? My hurricane don't exist. I want
you want a hurricane name?
Yeah, man, because me want to tell my opinion. See, it's like how other people say, you know, Gilbert. For Jamaicans, Gilbert are the worst hurricane.
And nobody never named Gilbert after that.
Jamaica, Gilbert is the worst hurricane. Irma, I go on Russia, and like an old lady look for me and say, you know? And Gilbert did come in. Gilbert was like category 3.
Yes, and also it was a third or a quarter of the size of Irma.
But for Jamaica,
imagine.
Are the worst. Yeah. But our prayers actually go to the people in Barbuda, Antigua, and the islands in Lesser Antilles.
Even though we're grateful, we side with you.
Yeah. And if you can, and if you can help out, help where you fit, or fit where you fit.
Yeah. Well, guys, that's a wrap for the trending topics. What do you think about those stories? Continue the discussion on our social media pages. You know what they are. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, One Spot Media. Watch.
Something like I'm a phone, you know.
Trending topics done. We still come.
Let's sign on the phone.